how to create a YouTube channel. So after you create your Google email address, you're going to create a YouTube channel. So we're going to go to YouTube. Then up here in this upper right-hand corner, once this loads, you'll be able to select your Gmail account. So if you're accidentally logged into the wrong one, you can change it. So I want you to click on that picture. Make sure that you see the correct email. So my school Gmail account is misshilary.cummings@gmail.com. And then I'm going to click Create a Channel. So it's going to say, hey, congratulations, you're getting started. And then I'm going to use my name as Hillary Cummings. You can change this. You can create it, Mrs. Cummings English or something like that if you wish to. So it says, do you want to upload a profile picture? I already have one. And then it has just a brief way to tell viewers about my channel. So this channel is my personal teaching channel for my students in the Smyrna High School. If you have any websites that you want to link to, I think this is a really great place to add your personal website. So if you need to know how to get to do that, you're just going to go over here and open up a new tab, Smyrna High School, and then couple of ways to get there. One is you can just search for your last name. The other is that you can go to academics and academic departments to find your name and your website. Here I am. And then you're just going to copy that address from up there, and we're going to go back to the YouTube tab. And I'm going to paste that there. And then that way, I know that my students have access to my main website. I'm going to hit save and continue. Now, if you want for your students to create a YouTube, then you want to give them the same kind of advice that I've given you guys about making sure that you create, have them create something that's just for school versus something that's for fun. Okay. Now we can go in here, we can do a lot of customization. We're not going to worry about any of that. What we're going to worry about is just what do we do if we need to upload a video. So I'm going to click upload video. And then if I want to learn more about the Google Creator Studio, you can do that. But it's very simple. You're just going to do a drag and a drop over here. We're going to select files that we want to upload, and then you will upload your file. I've got my introduction video here that I'm going to use as a test video. Okay. And then what's going to happen is it's going to do some processing. So you're going to put a title on your video. You're going to write a brief description. Okay. Once things start to process, you can pick an individual thumbnail. So if there's something that you really like, this is what's going to show up when you link it. And then if you want, you could create playlists. So for example, I might create a playlist that is Mrs. Cummings videos for students. Okay. Now, the defaults that everything goes to public. If you pick private, that means that people have to have a direct link. If it goes to unlisted, then that means it doesn't show up on your page, but it still is public. I'm just going to go ahead and create this as public because I want for parents, etc. And then we want to say that, yes, this is made for kids. And then we're going to hit next. I'm going to hit next again. We're going to make this again public with an instant premiere if you want it to go live immediately. And then you're going to hit publish and you're done.